If you'd like to learn more about the recent ICE memo that came out in July of 2025, this video is for you. Hey, my name is Claire Dute and I am an immigration attorney with McEntee Law Group. So in July of 2025, ICE issued a memo basically making it mandatory to detain any non-immigrant that are apprehended, even if they're apprehended not as a result of a criminal issue. So if you have somebody who is being pulled over and maybe in their car, regardless of maybe they haven't even committed a traffic violation, or maybe they were part of a raid, if they're getting detained by us, they will be subject to mandatory detention now. And even if they get a bond hearing, and even if the judge grants that hearing, right now ICE is actually appealing these grants because they disagree with the judge and argue that these immigrants are actually subject to mandatory detention, and therefore the judge does not have jurisdiction over their custody redetermination, and they're not eligible for bond. This is a pretty big change from past policy, because now people have to wait in detention even if they have not committed any crime for their cases to be processed, and that can be many years if they're even able to wait it out for that long. Potentially these people could also be subject to expedited removal. So we're really getting rid of due process here even more. I mean, being detained makes it really hard for people to make a decision based on what they really want, what they really qualify for. Potentially they don't want to be subject to the conditions of being detained. Some of the detentions are not, many of these detentions have very concerning conditions, and instead of staying detained for many months or years, they decide that they will return to their home country instead, and potentially die as a result of that.